Did you know that more than 10,000 manufacturing workers are going to retire each day in the next 3 years?
Wow. Why wouldn't people want to go into manufacturing?
Well, I think it's very important because without manufacturing, a lot of the stuff wouldn't be able to produce pretty much. For example, like Universal, the department that I'm in, it's final. So without us doing our part in manufacturing, a customer wouldn't be able to get a machine because we put all the component in there, the hardware, we test the machine, making sure it's right. And it goes.
The people who are here are local and friends outside of here, and we come from the same area, so yeah. I am simply in the shipping department, so we're the last step before the stuff goes out the door. We have to make sure the orders are complete and the customers are going to be happy. The stuff's expensive, so we can take great care in packaging it and getting it out the door. So I think manufacturing is important to the world. It gives us a chance to produce repetitious, the same things over and over and over again, and they will be performed the same as the first one to the last one.
You know, a lot of it is the people and the work that I do. The work is very interesting.
Why do I think so? Because manufacturing is what runs the world.